Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video about AXS Infinity. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price update of AXS Infinity. With surprise changes occur in AXS Infinity. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about AXS Infinity. Guys, right now price of AXS Infinity in the market is about 65.21 USD dollar. That is the right now price of AXS Infinity, and negative 17.11 USD dollar. Sorry, negative 17% the price decrease. That is the price changes in the last 1 week. I mean in the last 7 days. Very big changes occur in the AXS Infinity, guys. So you can see here 79.26 USD dollar is the highest price of AXS Infinity in the market. Other side, you can see here, if you look the changes, so very badly the price decrease in AXS Infinity, guys, very badly. Now guys, I recommend for you, I know it is a high price coin, so selling is not a solution. Hold. If you sell, so you are in the loss, guys, but if you hold, possibilities that in the future the price pump and you get a profit, guys. So don't sell it, just hold, wait for a pump. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.